We have just released an update for Staxio today, and in this video I'm going to do a demo and a build. I'm going to build a Google stack and additional keywords. So you're going to see me use the stacks builder and the Google Stacks builder and the keywords builder to add additional keywords to my initial Google stack to show you guys what is new with this update. Okay, this version of Staxio has the rich text editor added to the keyword builder. And let me show you where that is. So keywords with the same article. We can now add articles from the news API or our own articles with HTML formatting. And also the keyword builder in the section in the keywords with multiple articles section also has the rich text editor on each of the additional keywords here. So they all have the rich text editor, and we can insert our articles or scrape articles for particular keywords, and that's what I am about to show you now. And I have already prepared a list of keywords for this build, and this build is going to be about solar. The solar system is going to be my top keyword, and I'm going to link to my target URL is going to be Staxio, totally unrelated. I know, it doesn't matter, it's just for the sake of this example. And I'm going to add an article, and I'm going to use the same keyword to search for articles on the news API, and I'm going to add 3 different articles. So let's wait just a little bit. Here we go. So we have an image. So usually what you would do is you would go through the article, read through it, see if it's good enough that for your needs, probably edit the titles a little bit, probably add like a couple paragraphs in between, and hit the keyword. Okay, so this image didn't work, so we would probably edit all this stuff. All right, so this is aliens. That's funny. All right, now for the sake of this example and to make things faster, I am not going to add any more information, so feel free to add anything else you would need. So I'm just going to add, so I added my keywords, I added the article, and I'm going to build this initial stack with nothing else configured. Actually, I'm going to select Google Slides, and all right, we can do Unsplash and have like, all right, let's do one and build, just so we get this build going faster. All right, looks like we have our stack created. So let's scroll up and take a look. So we should have, here we go. All right, so we have a Google stack called Solar System. I'm gonna open the spreadsheet and take a look. Very good. All right, looks good. Let me go back to Staxio and take a look at the folder as well. So we have our articles. Oh, seems like my connection is a bit slow. Okay, let me open up the document. Just want to take a quick look inside, make sure the article was correctly placed. Wow, sorry guys, so it looks like my connection today is a bit slow. Okay, there's my picture, there's my content, and another picture, and my links, and the image that was taken from the Unsplash. Okay, very good, I'm happy. So what I'm going to do now is add extra keywords to this Google Stack, and to do that I'm going to select a Google Stack. I'm going to go to the keyword builder feature, and now I'm going to also use the same website I'm going to link to, which is Staxio, and I'm not going to add keywords here. I'm going to use the keywords with multiple articles feature. So I'm going to add 5 additional keywords, and each additional keyword is going to be the name of a planet. And I'm going to call this Earth. I'm going to search for the keyword Earth. I'm going to add 3 articles from the news API for the keyword Earth. And this is our rich text editor we now have available with this Staxio update. All right, so for example, I would edit this piece and probably add a couple extra paragraphs here, and this doesn't make sense. I'll probably also change the title if it's totally unrelated. I'm not going to do that analysis now, but that is what I would usually do. So for example here, this is actually not useful, so I'll just leave it like this. Now let me go on to keyword number 2. Again, keyword number 2 is going to be Mars. I'm going to add Mars. I'm going to search for 3 more articles for Mars. Alright, this looks weird. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna leave this picture. This also looks a bit weird. I'll probably delete this image. Wow, this is totally in a different language. I don't like that. Alright, I'm good with that. This is French. Alright, I don't mind. Let's keep it. Now for keyword number 3, I'm gonna use the keyword Jupiter. I'm gonna add again 3 articles from the news API. Okay, this looks a bit nicer now. No, I'm gonna delete that. Okay, I don't like this. All right, this is good enough. Nope. And this. Also, I don't want this. Very good. Now keyword number 4. Sorry if this might sound a bit boring. It's going to be Saturn. I'm going to add 3 more articles. See if I can make this faster. Right. Okay, it's coming. So the news API is giving me content in different languages. It's all right. Okay. And the last keyword number 5, is going to be Uranus, and let's add 3 more articles. Okay. Sega Saturn. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Probably delete this and like this. And I think I'm good to go. Let me just take one last look at the keyword. 5 Uranus, keyword 4 is Saturn, keyword 3 is Jupiter, keyword 2 is Mars, and keyword 1 is Earth. Yeah, very good. So now I'm gonna add these 5 additional keywords to my initial Google stack called the solar system. Okay, on Splash I'm gonna add 1 per each as well, and I'm gonna build. Let's just wait until Staxio completes. All right, looks like we have a successful build. Let's take a look at what Staxio has built for us. So let's scroll up and let's take a look at our articles, and let's take a look at our slides now. Okay, so we have Earth, Jupiter, Mars. Very good. So the solar system was the first presentation that we've created. Okay, here's our article, information, and there's an image we told Staxio to get from Unsplash. There's a list of links that interlinks all the documents, interlinks everything inside our Google stack. There's our article, and let me take a look at Mars, for example. Okay, that's a nice picture of Mars. All right, there's the article, and example Jupiter. Okay, very good. That definitely looks like Jupiter. All right, looks good. We have our links here, interlinking all our properties in our Google stack. Very good. I'm happy with. Let me just take a look at the articles as well. So Jupiter. All right, that looks like more like a planet. Yeah. Okay. So there's our article, our images, resources, and the links that are interlinking all the items on our Google stack. All right. So this was a successful build. So I have shown you how to build a Google stack and add additional keywords with the keyword builder and the rich text editor that we just added with this Staxio update. So I hope you enjoy it.